Excuse me?
What are y'all in for? Like doing an article or something?
I'm a vlogger.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you know anything about this?
Well, it's Dugout Canoe. It's here on loan from, used to be from Adventures Outpost, but they've, I think they're closed now, and it's still here.
Okay.
These two big canvases are from local cave systems.
Mm-hmm.
That one's definitely under Jenny Springs. Not quite sure where that one is or where that one is.
You have rich history in here. It's very interesting.
Well, here.
Yeah. You have a good essay.
You too.